What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Neil Build. It has been a long time since we did something with go-karts. I've been having to deal with family stuff, trying to get the house fixed and stuff like that, and just focusing on family. So I pushed all my rides and stuff away to the side, and it's been roughly almost a year since these go-karts actually ran. So we're working on today, me and Mulan. We have the fire truck out. Now, she ain't running, of course. We're going to take the body off, take the motor off, see if we can clean the carburetor and stuff on the motor, may get it running. We're going to take the body off. I have lights, and they're bright. Got it from AutoZone. These little LED strips you can really put anywhere. I had a bunch of lights. I do a little side business of installing lights and stuff, and I can't seem to find them in the shed. I looked everywhere yesterday and today, so I just ran the AutoZone, picked them lights up, so that'd be easy. We can put on the bottom of the frame. I'm gonna zip tie them too, even though they're sticky, 3M sticky back. We're gonna give this thing some underglow. So that's it for that. And then we got the old tugboat over here. Took the wheels off of her. Just kind of stay in the light a little bit. Dark out here. You can see we got the motor off too because it wasn't running. I mean, it's been sitting up for a year in the shed. And we got my buddy's go-kart we're putting the ghost motor on. Started on his the other day, and he got me motivated to start working on my other stuff. And this is the motor we're going to put on there. That motor, when I got it from Harbor Freight, it never really ran right. So I'm just going to tear it apart, look into it, see what it is, what the issue is. And that's going on there, and we'll see what's wrong with this motor. So now we're going to take the exhaust off, take the body off, take the motor out, and then we'll put the LED strips underneath it, wire it up in my little box I got where the horn's on, the little siren, and we'll set the body back on and see what she looks like. All right, body is off finally. So now we'll start wiring up the lights underneath it and see how it does. We have lights hooked up. We have strip back here, strip up there, strip on the side, strip on that side. I have everything wired up and zip tied. It's all coming in. I'll show you. It's all coming in right here to the box. Drill the hole to go inside the ammo box. I'm gonna come back and silicone that. And we got our horn. Right here is the switch. I need to spin it around. This is for the lights. This is for the siren. These are our lights. You can see. Oh yeah. So that is looking good. Now I did have it on a battery. Well, the battery I wanted to use, but I had it sitting in there for about a year, so it was dead. So I probably had to charge it or just get a new one. So what I did, just use the little Try Me button batteries. It had 6 batteries that come with the lights, so I just hooked it up to them right now inside the ammo box. And that chicken's crowing at night. So we're gonna cut the light off, and I will see what it looks like. Oh yeah. As you can see, yeah, underneath it, let me see, oh, can't get that far, but yeah, strip there, strip right there. Chickens at night, Nighthawks. Strip there, and the strip back here. So now what I'm gonna do is cut the light back on. We're going to set it on the ground, take the motor off, and just put the body on and see what it looks like with the body on. Then tomorrow we'll change the motor out, do whatever we need to do, put the body back on, bolt it on, and go ride and see what we can do. Go from there. Take some night shots of it rolling. Right, it's a little darker. I think the lights are going dim. They were brighter. I definitely got to get a little battery or something put under there to charge it. But this is her. Just with the body sitting on it, and then got to bolt it down. Yeah. So, yeah, that looks cool. In person, it looks good. See the lights on the inside glowing. So, alright, we played around with that motor a little bit. That's one that came off the tugboat. We did a little design with the tugboat, you see. That'll be on another episode. So if you want to check in on that, just go ahead and subscribe and follow up on that build. So we got the lights working. We got the motor going. So we just got it put back together, it runs. So we're gonna put it back on the cart, get it all fixed up, then put the body back on. All right, body is back on. Get a walk around view with me and Mulan. So we got the body back on, got the motor running, lights are all hooked up. They look good at night. So yeah, that'll be it for this little episode. Just go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, and follow up on this build, because we got more things we want to do to it. So until then, we're gonna catch a little ride and see y'all next time.